Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for August 16 to 31, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mr. Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Okay, so let's see ano yung energy update for you. August 16 to 31, 2023, Scorpio. For Scorpio. Uy, the lovers. Maaring ang concern nyo ngayon, August 16 to 31 is your love life. And this is also about commitment. So, maaring meron kayong commitment na papasukin. Pwedeng romantic commitment or commitment sa trabaho, sa project ninyo. You also have the star. This is your inspiration. So, yung iba sa inyo inspired. May inspire kayo sa inyong relationship. Yung iba sa inyo, I feel like ikakasal or bagong kasal. Or yung iba naman, maaring papasok sa isang relationship na seryoso talaga. Merong commitment. And some of you are healing also your past. Maari ring merong reunion dito, reconciliation for some of you na inayos nyo na kung ano yung naging problema nyo in the past. What is the lovers? Four of Pentacles, yes. You're focusing on solidifying your relationship, your connection. Gusto niyo magkaroon ng stability in ang inyong relationship. You also have the Ten of Cups. Oh, happiness. Contentment, prosperity, and joy. So, you are focused on your family, Scorpio. Ang ganda naman ng mga cards sa inyo. You also have the Wheel of Fortune, which is your destiny. You are destined to be successful. You are destined to be happy. And maaring yung iba sa inyo, makakaramdam kayo ng ng kalayaan. Yung kalayaan na, kalayaan na nagagawa nyo yung gusto nyo, may relationship man kayo o wala, maaring, if you are in a relationship, yung person that you're dealing with is very much supportive sa mga ginagawa mo, sa career mo. Yes. So, kumbaga, walang hadlang. Walang humahadlang sa mga gusto nyo. Dahil kung meron kayong karelasyon, supportive siya sa mga projects ninyo, yung mga plano ninyo. You're like a team, 'di ba? May teamwork. Blue-footed booby. Cute naman. Cast aside injured pride and cherish the enduring. Oh, okay. This really makes sense kasi ibig sabihin, tinatanggal niyo na yung pride ninyo sa isa't isa kasi alam niyo naman na hindi yan makakatulong sa relationship ninyo and gusto ninyo na meron kayong ma-achieve together ng iyong person. So, pwede rin naman tong romantic connection, pwede rin tong sa family, no? Kung sino man yung super malapit sa buhay mo ngayon na inaayos mo na yung relationship or connection mo sa kanya. You also have Green Heron, profit through learning and observation. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong inoobserbahan na nangyayari sa paligid nyo or maaring meron kayong mga pinag-aaralan sa ngayon na hindi pa kayo nagte-take action kasi maaring hindi pa kayo sure kung ito talaga yung gusto nyong i-pursue pero pinag-aaralan nyo na. Okay? So, you're going to learn something that is going to add income to your finances. So, can be anything na bagong knowledge, bagong bagay na kaalaman nyo na mag-enhance ng abilities ninyo. Ayan. Let's see what else. Yung iba kasi parang pinagmamasdan nyo kung what is working for other people. So, kung ano yung nakikita mo na nagwo-work for them, maaring gagayahin mo siya and magdadagdag ka lang ng ng sarili mong personal touch. Ayan. So you also have divine calling. Your true destiny unfolds as you explore your ideas and inspiration. Things around your career are aligning towards your divine calling. Oy. Something better awaits. So maaring meron yung opportunities that are opening up sa inyo that is related to your destiny. Yes. What else? You also have amusement. Meron ka raw natural talents that you can share with the world. It's time to make money from them while having a good time, just being you. So, sounds like, parang mga influencer or content creators that you are making money by sharing your talents. So, maaring you are also someone na entertainer in any way or form. Can be a dancer, singer, as long as sinishare mo yung talents and skills mo sa mundo. You also have the 8 of Wands. So, there are good news coming in sa inyong career. Maaring yung mga, hinihintay nyo na messages, ayan na, parating na. You also have the Knight of Swords and the Death card. So, new beginnings to transformation. There's an ending, there's also a new beginning for you. So, yung iba, maaring yung career na hindi na kayo masaya, hindi na kayo fulfilled, maaring iiwanan nyo na yan for a new opportunity na nag-o-open for you sa inyong career. Ayan. So, yung iba na merong sideline, tapos nung una meron kayong major job, main job, tapos nag-sideline kayo, extra income, pero mas naging nakita nyo na mas naging progressive na, no, yung side hustle ninyo, yung extra income. And maybe for some of you, you will, leave the job, yung major job ninyo for this side hustle kasi gagawin nyo na siyang full-time, 'di ba? So, sa love naman, may love call o may mag-express ng love sa inyo. Someone is thinking of you. Tapos biglang may cut down. Ooh, oh, okay. Something shocking for some of you, relationship to. Oo. Pwedeng ang nakikita ko rito is merong person na lumaya sa isang relationship, sa kanyang previous relationship. And this person is now letting you know na okay na kayo, na pwede na kayong magsimula, pwede na kayong magpatuloy. Okay? So parang gano'n yung message niyan, nakikita ko dyan. May separation sa another person, or maaring kung ano man yung hadlang sa relationship ninyo, ito ay mawawala na para magpatuloy kayo. O, diba? The Chariot. Success, journey, and progress. The world. Oh, okay. O, the Tower. See? Something shocking. It's like a release. O, yung iba naman dito, maaring long distance yung inyong relationship. So, yung distance yung hadlang sa inyong relationship para mas lalong mag-grow. Kasi, syempre, mas maganda na you are together physically. So, some of you, maaring magkakaroon na kayo ng pagkakataon na magkasama ng inyong person. May completion din dito. So, yeah, ganon. It's either yung iba finally may pagkakataon na kayo magkasama together ng person mo because maaring nakaipon na siya, nakaipon ka na, yung iba magpapakasal na, yung iba naman kung ano yung naging challenge sa relationship ninyo na ayos na. Okay? Yung iba nga talaga rito nagkaroon ng separation tapos nagkaroon lang ng reconnection or reconciliation. And now, you are really focusing on the stability of your relationship. I want you. Oh, this person really wants you. I want to be more than friends. Baka ito yung tipong inaayawan mo na sinasabi mo na, wag na, ayoko na, pero pinilit ka talaga, no? Siguro pinatunayan ng person na to na dinideserve niya yung second chance, or pinatunayan ng person na to na kailangan nyo ipaglaban yung relationship ninyo. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, meron kayong mga natutunan sa isa't isa spiritually, no? And you feel like, there is something that you need to fulfill dito sa relationship ninyo para, mas mapagtibay nyo ang inyong connection. When peace is your priority, negativity cannot exist. You want peace. How can you see through the eyes of the source, energy, and prioritize your inner peace? So, iwas ka na ngayon sa drama sa buhay. Gusto mo, very peaceful yung situation mo. And if you feel like, kaya mong tanggapin itong tao na to na bumabalik sa'yo for your peace of mind, then you will give this person a chance. You will give this relationship a chance. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.